How to add your Kakaotalk account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Kakaotalk account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile here and now click edit profile and go down until you find the links and click add, and here click add social link and platform, and just go down and you will find Kakaotalk. Click on it and click username and add your Kakaotalk username and save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and then see you in the next video.